I chose Baptist College and nuclear medicine because Baptist is one of the best schools in this area. It's more focused in nursing and health science. You cannot go to another school that is as focused, that is as particular in nuclear medicine as Baptist College.
As a Baptist student, you get the opportunity to participate in research. You get the opportunity to see the change as it's happening and take ownership of that and learn things as they're forming, which makes you even more of an asset once you enter the workforce.
Nuclear medicine technology is an exciting field. We get to do things that change from day to day, depending upon the situation, depending upon the patient, depending upon the disease that the patient has. We adapt the procedure to get the best answers for the patient and their physician. Nuclear medicine is a way of looking inside the body to see what's happening at a cellular level. Nuclear medicine technology uses radioactivity just like X-rays do, but it's done on a very different basis because what we do in nuclear medicine technology is the radiation is internalized in the patient, and then we're watching or detecting this radioactivity as it goes through the body. So we're kind of like investigators as we look at the body and see what's happening on the inside.
We believe that we have a fairly strong training program here at the Baptist College, and it covers research as well as actually hands-on experience with imaging the patient. The experience that is obtained from the pharmacy and a clinical experience, medical experience, technological experience, research experience, all this combined makes it a very strong training program.
When a student is enrolled at Baptist College of Health Sciences in the nuclear medicine program, from the very first day they're on campus, we're preparing them for that entry-level position, for a career in healthcare.
When I was hired on at the VA Medical Center, I was already familiar with a lot of the equipment there because my former clinical rotation at that site. I was also familiar with a couple of the technologists that worked there, so I think that kind of helped me get in with the administration.
Baptist College of Health Sciences is associated with the Baptist Memorial Healthcare Corporation, and so a lot of our clinical sites is working with that corporation. That we get to work side by side with them, and they take our students on as their own students because they are very invested in making sure that we turn out the best nuclear medicine technologists in the state of Tennessee.
The teachers at Baptist College really instilled confidence in us. They knew that we could be professionals in the real world. If it wasn't for that confidence and that constant push through classes, I don't know if I would be as ready as I am now to enter the workforce as a professional.
We get to help find cancer. We get to see how patients are responding to therapy. We get to see how patients' hearts are beating, how their liver's functioning. It's all anatomy, but we're seeing how the body is actually functioning.
They have a lot of options after they complete the training. For example, they can go into research, they can go into the actual clinical aspects, or they can go into the teaching areas as well.
Our students have an opportunity to actually complete 4 different clinical rotations under one roof. They're able to go through computed tomography, PET-CT, nuclear cardiology, work with outpatients in outpatient centers, and work with the inpatients. So that's a unique opportunity for our students that many do not have.
If you're considering a major at Baptist College, definitely be passionate about what you're doing and what you're learning. It's difficult. It's very difficult, but not needlessly. Without the difficulty, you're not going to have personal growth. You're not going to have development of your personal commitment to your field and that confidence that you need at the end to enter the workforce. And I feel Baptist College definitely gave me that.